and define the policies and procedures in the delivery of quality and health service for all women and premature and small newborns under the Z benefits. The benefit package shall contribute to the attainment of universal health coverage and financial risk protection for all members. Cotabato Regional and Medical Center is one with the Department of Health in providing holistic care of the mother-baby diet with a comprehensive primary to catastrophic approach to patient care in a multidisciplinary setting. This shall facilitate team management and strengthen referral system within the service delivery network. Thank you and good day.
Medical Center, Cardiovascular Institute, using Service and PhilHealth for their support through the Z Benefits Program for coronary artery bypass surgery, the trabecular repair, atrial septal defect repair. Because of this partnership, we will be able to save more lives and bring hope to Bangsamoro and Central Mindanao region. Maraming salamat for PhilHealth and thank you.
PhilHealth has played a pivotal role in transforming the lives of patients requiring prosthetics and orthotics, often not just financial assistance. For those who have lost limbs or struggle with mobility, road to recovery can be challenging, both emotionally and physically. Thanks to PhilHealth's Z-Benefit package, many individuals now have access to advanced prosthetic devices and orthopedic support that are crucial for restoring their independence and improving their quality of life. These services go beyond cosmetic treatment. They empower patients to regain confidence, live more actively, and reintegrate fully into their communities. By lightening the financial burden, PhilHealth makes it possible for patients to focus on what truly matters: their recovery, their future, and their ability to live life fully.
Physical therapy is integral to the success of PhilHealth's Z-Benefit packages. Z-More, expand Z-More and Children with Disabilities program, providing essential rehabilitation services that restore mobility, function, and independence. These initiatives not only alleviate financial burdens, but also empower individuals with disabilities to live more active and fulfilling lives. Through dedicated advocacy and comprehensive care, we strive to ensure that all Filipinos, regardless of social and economic status, can have equitable access to these life-changing services.
The PHRC packages have had a transformative impact on patients in the PM1 here at Cotabato Regional and Medical Center. In occupational therapy, these programs provide essential financial support for rehabilitation treatments and assisted devices, enabling patients to regain independence and perform occupations they were once unable to do. Despite the financial challenges they face, these packages offer renewed hope and purpose, empowering patients to reclaim their lives and achieve their rehabilitation goals.
Magandang araw po.
Courtesies to our Medical Center Chief, Dr. Ishmael Managay, to our Chief of Medical and Professional Staff, Dr. John Omega, PhilHealth Regional Vice President, Dr. Masidin Anoto Jr., members of the top management, my fellow heads of department, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor for me to speak to you now to celebrate the contract signing of our Z-Benefit packages. I have always said this time and time again, it is a dream come true for me able to send my patients to surgery, and I won't be able to offer these things to them. But these services are available in Metro Manila, left and right, and I won't be as frustrated. But I told him that opportunity was here. I saw the opportunity to start things that could help in delivering quality healthcare services and ultimately offer such procedures such as coronary artery bypass graft and percutaneous coronary intervention. It has been a very long journey, but here we are now. This is a whole another level, and I cannot express how proud I am to be a member of the team that made this happen. Alhamdulillah. So, many thanks to our top management, especially our medical center chief, Dr. Ishmael Dimare, for being very supportive in this endeavor. Next up, Z-Benefit for adult pulmonary heart disease, inshallah. Thank you and God bless you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dr. Pamela D. Mahulika, an adult nephrologist from the Cotabato Regional and Medical Center. I am happy to inform you that our institution is one of the beneficiaries of the Philippine Health Insurance Company C-Benefit package for peritoneal dialysis. And our advocacy is to enroll all kidney disease stage 5 patients to the peritoneal dialysis program in pursuance to the Philippine Health Insurance Company First policy. Thank you and salamat.
Thank you, our hard-working and again, let's give them a warm round of applause.